Guitar players, what's going on? How are you? I'm doing all right, I think. Anyway, today we are looking at how to play the from Whole Lotta Love. This is on Zeppelin 2. This solo is short and sweet, but impactful, kind of like this intro. Let's go. All right, so our first phrase is going to start off like this. So we got a bend on the 14th fret. You're basically in E minor pentatonic right here. All right, but actually we're kind of insinuating the blues scale because we have that 15th blue note right there on the 3rd string too. So let's take a look. So we got a big pull off from 15th, 14 to 12 right there. Awesome. Next one's going to come right over here. So we're going to go right down the neck, starting on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, the G string, okay? Slide into the 4. Now with my 2nd finger, I'm going to go back to that 2nd fret, do a pull off. Now we're going to do a double pull off here on the string above it, so the D string. And then again on the A string, just one pull off, and then an open E. So. Okay, so recap those two put together. All right, try to choke it right afterward. That open E. Okay? Right on. 3rd phrase coming up here. Back into 12th position. We're going to be catching the 14, 3rd string. Okay? Bend it. All right, make sure you catch that pinky right underneath that 15th fret bend. Cool. All right, we're rolling with this solo. It's short and sweet, but very effective. Very cool solo. We're gonna go right to the 17 on the 2nd string, and then hit the 20. And on that 20, we're gonna bend 2 steps. That's 4 frets. So check it out. All right, that's a tough one. You gotta need a lot of strength to get that up there. So if we do a recap of what we have so far, it's gonna be like this. Cool. All right, second last phrase. We got this starting on the 17th fret. Pretty much the last 3 phrases are all starting on 17th fret with our 1st finger here. 2nd string. So it's going to sound like this. last phrase. We're right there. We got this. So there's going to be 3 bends here. The first 2 are half step bends. The last one is a full step bend. So check it out. All right, so those last 2 phrases put together, it will sound something like this. So